If you're planning to buy AirPods Pro 3, one of the most common questions is what actually comes inside the box, especially when it comes to charging accessories. In the past, Apple usually included at least a charging cable, so many people still expect the same experience. But packaging has changed over time, and with newer Apple products, things are a bit different. This can be surprising when you open the box and don't see what you expected. Understanding exactly what's included and what's not helps you avoid confusion and makes sure you're ready to charge your AirPods right away without any delay. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods Pro 3 box and check the contents carefully. Step 2. You will find the AirPods Pro 3 earbuds and the MagSafe charging case. Step 3. Look for a charging cable. You will notice it is not included. Step 4. Also note that a power adapter is not included. Step 5. Use any USB-C cable and power adapter you already have to charge. Step 6. You can also charge using MagSafe, Qi wireless charger, or Apple Watch charger.